All right, guys. So I discovered that you can backtest freely, like totally for free in EXNESS Terminal. For real, ever since I discovered this, I was very happy. Okay, and I've been using this for a very long time. Okay, so you can backtest your strategy on EXNESS Terminal. Okay, you can backtest your strategy on EXNESS Terminal. All you have to do is go to your Chrome browser. After you've gone to your Chrome browser, then you type EXNESS. Okay, you search EXNESS. Then after that, you just log into your personal area. Okay, you log into your personal area. Then you come here. You come here and click on what EXNESS Terminal. Meanwhile, if this is your first time coming across my channel, I'm Victor SMC, and I do document my journey here on YouTube, sharing with you the ups and downs in this journey for you to see what's possible in trading. Okay, so if you like such content, do well to hit the like button and subscribe. Okay, got you. So that's that. After you've logged into your EXNESS terminal, you come here now, click here, then go to EXNESS terminal. Click on EXNESS terminal. After clicking on EXNESS terminal, it will bring you over to this page. Okay, it will bring you over here. Then all you have to do is to what? Click on full screen. Okay, you press on full screen. Then here you will be seeing the full charts. Okay, be seeing the full charts, everything. So guys, this is so amazing. This EXNESS terminal is very amazing. Imagine backtesting for free, no more spending hundreds of dollars, 80 something dollars to pay for TradingView Premium. Okay, so guys, make sure you watch to the end of this video so that you know how to backtest for free. All right, let's get to the deal. Now, this is it. If you want to change your chart settings, you double click on the chart, then you just play around with your colors. For me, I chose white. Okay, I chose white. Then I left it on these colors, so I'm okay with this. Just do your settings, know the one that you like best, then you work with it. Okay, so that's it for now. Another thing you want to do is you choose your time frames. You come over here, select your favorite time frames. Okay, just choose the time frame that best suits your strategy. That's the main point. The time frame that best suits your strategy, choose it. So now another thing here is that, guys, this stuff is so overwhelming. Like, I'm very happy about this stuff. You can just, it's just like trading view. Like, it's just totally like trading view. There is no big difference, man. There's no difference, and this one is just for free, all for free for us. So in here, this is your what? This is your long tool, your short tool. Every tool that you need as a trader is here. Everything. Just imagine, everything is here. Now, let's get to the main points. How we can do what? Backtest. Like how we can use the bar replay tool. Okay, that's the main reason for me making this video. So in here, you click here. You see this bar replay tool. You click on it, then click on read time. Then you now select where you want price to, like, you now select where you want to backtest from. You get where you want to forward test from. So in here, me, I'm choosing here. You get. So that's it. This is a trade. This is a trade I took on BTC. For the first one, I missed it. For the first entry, I missed it. I was actually waiting patiently for BTC to come to this level, then we buy. So just watch. Let's, you can see price is moving. Sounds crazy, guy. Price is moving. Now, if you also want to use your uh those stuff, your bar replay too, let's go down to the 30 minutes time frame. Even at that, you can switch time frames, guys. Like, you can switch time frame. This thing is so interesting. Very interesting, guy. So let's play the bar replay too. So let's play the bar replay. So this is on 30 minutes time frame. So as you can see, price has mitigated. Price is about to mitigate our POI. So let's wait. Yeah, here we go. Price has mitigated our POI. Now I was interested in buying from this zone, but at first we need to see a change of character. Sharp change of character gotten. So let's buy from here. This was a trade I took. This was a trade I took. Initial, the main TP should be here, but I'm going save here. I'm going save here. So sorry, as for this trade, I missed this trade, guys. I missed this trade, and the reason why I missed this trade was that the broker I was using on TradingView, I was using, I think that was Oanda. Oanda gave me a total different like candlestick presentation. While I went down to Binance and I saw that Binance like matched with the EXNESS terminal. So that was the reason I missed this particular buys. But later on, I caught another buy. Just stay with me. You can see, guys, you backtest your trade for free, totally for free. Okay, totally for free, no fees attached. There is no fees attached here. Okay, there is no fees attached here. So that's it. So another opportunity here. This is totally based off my system, like based off my approach. And these two trades, these are the trades I missed. Mind you, all these trades are trades I missed because I was using a different broker on TradingView. I don't know if you guys will understand me, but the broker I was using was Wanda, and Wanda wasn't giving me the real time price action on BTC. You guess that was the reason I missed this trade, but I got in on one. I got in on one. Okay, I got in on particular buys. So here we go. We're buying from here. So I caught a buy around this level. Today being Sunday, I caught a buy around this level. So at first, price mitigated. At first, price mitigated this POI, then gave us a choke. You feel me? Price mitigated this POI, gave us a choke. Then all I did was to just map out another POI, then take the trade. I took the trade. TP being this high here. This is where I set my TP. Clean 1:5 RR. That was a clean 1:5 RR that I secured. Yeah, just watch. Price just mitigated us. We started moving to the upside. All along, it came down. But yeah, oh, my battery is down. But boom, TP.